Hi birdies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane Park and today I'm recreating Lisa from BLACKPINK's makeup, specifically this look right here. We know Lisa, we love her. She is our Thailand goddess. I'm obsessed with Thai makeup look. I'm also going to Thailand pretty soon to shoot my own music video, so nervous, about to throw up right now. I'm just like super nervous about this, but that's why I figured I'd show you my Thai girl makeup tutorial. Before I get started, you can go ahead and follow all my social media links. They'll be linked down below, or you can find them at janeparkgolf.com. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering why it's called Jane Park Golf, I would say I do a lot of golf content, but I do have this channel here at Park Jane. This is like my only really girly channel, and I pride this channel. I'll be honest, I haven't been as active on this account since I created my golfing page at Jane Park, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more vlogs on that channel. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and follow me over there. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I'm super excited to show you this look. I worked really hard on it, and I feel like slay. Slay all the way.
No competition. Sweet like gelato 되고 싶어 Valentino. Rockin' on a high note, got it loving it soprano. 너 만나고 나서 절대 놓지 않아 바빠도 다른 여잔 없어 no. Cause you're the one and only girl. Promise I ain't tryna play games with ya, girl. Honest.
Lisa's signature makeup look always starts off with blue/gray contact lenses. Here I got my pair from Thailand. Before you apply any sort of makeup, it's always really important to do your skincare. All of my skincare is from Olive Young, and I'm going to link them all down below for you so you can go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna use this Vitalizing serum I got from Olive Young. It really helps out with wrinkles as well as dark spots. I have a lot of dark spots on my face since I spend a lot of time out in the sun. I have been using this product so much, especially during the summer. This is a ginseng serum with SPF. This product is extremely lightweight and it feels refreshing. It also has a built-in SPF protection. It's packed with real Korean ginseng. It's known for anti-aging, brightening benefits, and also gives your skin a super dewy look without it feeling greasy. For my moisturizer today, I'm using this Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizer from COSRX. It helps your skin, especially when you're feeling dull. It contains a lot of powerhouse ingredients that help with irritations, brightening up your skin tone, and also strengthens your skin barrier in just one step. And for my last skincare product, I'm using another COSRX product. This is their Vita E sunscreen. It has SPF 50 protection plus all the antioxidants power of vitamin E, which really can help your face feel free and prevent prematuring aging. Now that our skincare is done, let's start the makeup. It's summertime and I absolutely hate wearing foundation or anything heavy on my skin, especially because I feel like it breaks me out way more. Here I'm using my CL Tint and Protect SPF 50 Tinted Serum. The color is a little bit light for my skin. So here I'm using Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum. You can blend the two together and apply it on your face, but for me, I like to place it in certain areas that I want to darken and lighten. Literally the best concealer in the world. I will not shut up about it. This is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. It does a fantastic job getting away of your dark circles. And since I'm not wearing a heavy foundation, I'm gonna need all the help that I can get when it comes to covering my dark circles. I do not know how to pronounce this product, but I got it in Olive Young. I'll link it down below. It's a soft jelly cushion blush, and it's super lightweight. I just like to pat it out into my skin, and it melts into my skin, giving my cheeks a rosy finish. I also like to put a little bit on my lip so my lips don't look dead and dull. Bring some life into me. Here we have two of my favorite products that I've been using when it comes to contouring. For my all-over face contour, this is a contour stick that I got from Sephora. It's a Sephora Brown, the shade light to medium, and this is what I use on my cheeks along my jawline. For my nose, I use this Korean product. It's a brand called Tag, and it's their multi-contour stick. I've been really liking using gray tone bronzers. I just feel like it works better with my skin complexion, and I like this Tag brand. It does a great job blending into my nose without giving me those harsh lines. My nose contouring routine is pretty basic. I did change up my face contouring routine pretty recently, and I've been liking this shape I've been creating more. I feel like it adds more definition and makes my face look a lot more slimmer. You're gonna go ahead and get your favorite highlight stick or any shimmery color, apply it to the tip of your nose, your inner corners, your cupid's brow, and basically wherever else you want for your face to look more accentuated and brighten. I'm not a huge fan of the product, so I'm not gonna go too much into depth with it. Any highlight stick will do for this step. Of course, I am a huge fan of baking my face. I know it's summer and I just complained that I don't like too much product on my face. Baking will never be that issue for me. I just prefer a more matte look to my face, and since I do sweat a lot, I like to bake my face just to really keep all my makeup in place. And of course, I have to use Laura Mercier. She has the best baking powder, loose powder. No other brands can compare. For my eyes, we got this beautiful Dior eyeshadow palette. This is Dior Backstage Eyeshadow Palette number 2, and it has all my favorite smoky eye colors. All over your eyelids, you're just gonna apply the pink color. Then you're gonna go in with the slightly gray tone, and you're gonna apply it like a little wing just on your outer corner. I like to go with the same pink color, and I'll put some on my bottom eyelid. Here I am just blending all the loose powder off my face now. Another Christian Dior product that I can't shut up about. This is the Dior Forever Natural Bronzing Glow and Color Peachy Bronze 51. I freaking love this color. It's like a nice orange tint on your face, and I feel like it really works with my skin complexion. It also gives my face a very youthful, glowy finish. I wanted to keep my eyebrows a little softer for this step, so I only put on this Anastasia brow gel, and I just shaped my brow more straight without an arc. The next step, we're gonna add a pretty thin gray cat wing on your upper eyelid, and then you're gonna add your favorite eyelashes. I think I got it on Amazon or like a super cheap website. I just like using cheap eyelashes because honestly I only wear them once and then they're done. We're gonna go ahead and go back to our Dior eyeshadow palette, and you're gonna add the dark gray on your bottom eyelids. You wanna keep this part like pretty thin. I feel like if you add too much, it makes your eyes look very messy. And then I got this shimmery eyeshadow from Japan, and oh my god, chef's kisses. It's like the most elegant, classy, glowy eyeshadow look. I don't know the name of it, I can't pronounce it, but I'll put it on the screen. I'm obsessed with it, but beware, it is $30 for that little tiny square. And of course, the only mascara that I use is Kill Lashes by CLIO, my favorite mascara ever. I'm telling you, this will make anyone's eyelashes look super long. And then we're gonna line our lips with a dark purplish brownish color. Here I'm using the product from RMS Beauty. It's their Go Nude Lip Pencil, and it's in the color Midnight Nude. I swear I'm not sponsored by Dior, although I wish I was, because now I'm using my very last product, which is Dior Lip Glow. It's their lip balm, essentially. And this one is in color 12, Rosewood. And I feel like you cannot do a K-pop look without adding some shimmer. Here I have this Tom Ford shimmering body oil, and this is in number 1 for platinum. I like to spray it on my collarbones and my shoulders and rub it in. It gives your body a nice, sexy glow and finish. It's perfect for summer, and it smells delightful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching my Lala Lisa makeup tutorial. Also, stay tuned with all my social media accounts. Just started streaming on Twitch. Obviously, I have this page, my golfing page at Jane Park, and get ready to see my music video pretty soon. Actually, not that soon. I'm probably filming it in August, but this year it will come out. I am facing my fears. Before I turn 30, I want to face all my fears and accomplish all my goals that I want to accomplish. So yeah, stay tuned with that. But for this video, I am done. The look is complete. I feel like I look so good. That's the end for today's video. See you back on this page. Stay subscribed, stay healthy. I love you guys so, so, so much. I'll see you next time. Okay. Bye, birdies.
Tell me why not 너와 나의 그